Open up, black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. I wanna hear it talking shit, fuck the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, I'm going to try. Just when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die.
Hello everyone, I am Prem and today I am excited to introduce you to the Decathlon ST-100 bicycle. This incredible gift comes from the Persistence System Limited in celebration of our industry reaching $1 billion remark. So let's take a quick look of specification of Decathlon ST-100 bicycle.
This Decathlon ST-100 bicycle is mountain bike. This bike comes in the range between 17,000 to 20,000 with a budget-friendly ride. Cycling is not just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle, a form of exercise and a way to connect with the outdoors. For those seeking an affordable yet reliable option, the Decathlon ST-100 bicycle could be the perfect choice. In this video, we will take a close look at this budget-friendly bicycle and explore its features, performance and why it is an excellent option for beginners and casual riders. Decathlon, the renowned sports equipment manufacturer, has made a name for itself by producing quality products at affordable prices. The ST-100 bicycle is no exception. Priced competitively, it offers a fantastic value proposition for those looking to dip their toes in the world of cycling without breaking the bank. Sturdy frame. The ST-100 features a steel frame that provides durability and stability. While it may be a bit heavier than some high-end models, it's perfect for the riders who prioritize robustness. The ST-100 comes with reliable V-brakes that provide good stopping power, enhancing safety during your rides. The ergonomic design of the saddle and the handlebars ensure a comfortable riding experience even on the longer journeys. It's great for both daily commutes and leisurely rides. This bike, equipped with 6-speed Shimano drivetrain, this bike ensures a smooth and reliable gear shifting. It's excellent for tackling various terrains from city streets to light trails. Its 26-inch tire strikes a balance between stability and maneuverability. They can handle both urban streets and some of off-road adventures. While the Decathlon ST-100 may not be built for professional racing or mountain bikes, it's excel in everyday cycling scenarios. Here are some situations where this bicycle shines: commutes, fitness rides, casual exploring, budget-friendly adventures. The Decathlon ST bicycle is not meant to have the high-end features of specific premium bicycles, but to provide affordable yet quality products. It caters perfectly to the beginners, casual riders and those looking for an economical mode of transportation. With its sturdy frame, reliable gear shifting and comfortable design, this bicycle is a gateway to the world of cycling. It's a reminder that you do not need to spend a fortune to enjoy the simple pleasures of the riding a bike. So if you are looking to embark a cycle journey without breaking the bank, give the Decathlon ST-100 a spin. It might just become your trusty companion on the two-wheelers. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye, take care.